Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be back again today. I hope you're all doing great and you're keeping safe. Please continue to stay safe. In today's video, we'll be exploring Gage Park. Yeah, just over there. And the city hall, town hall. Gage Park is one of the Brampton's oldest park and is a family-friendly park. It's a multifunctional park in the city of Brampton. It is in downtown Brampton, just on the main street and Wellington Street West, yeah, around there. Things you can do at Gage Park: you can jog around, you can walk around. I walked around this park twice. Yeah, you can walk around. There's a children play area. And a big welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining this channel. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, I talk about how to make money, how I save money here in Canada, and I take you around cities here in Canada. I make videos out of Kitchener, Waterloo. So please subscribe and put on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll always come back to watch my videos. Yes, and to all my OGs, thank you for rocking along with me on this channel. Children play area. It's under construction at this time, and hopefully by fall 2021 it should be completed. So that means in September, October, yeah, it should be completed. And the park is on a bus route, so it's easily accessible to you even if you are not driving. It's on a bus route. There's a bus stop right in front of the park, and also in front of the town center or the city hall, there's a bus stop as well. Gage Park is the museum, the Pew Museum that I showed in my last video, and adjacent is the city hall. So let's just walk around the city hall to see what we have in the environment. So right here is the city hall. It's a beautiful place as well. You can take pictures here and you can sit around during summer just for fresh air. The city hall, there are places that you can eat. There's an Italian restaurant just here and lots of lovely places to eat. This is downtown. You have to pay for parking. It's not free. So this is where you pay for your parking. So this is what the city hall here in Brampton looks like. This is about what you would see in downtown Brampton. It's a lovely place, as you can see. I had so much fun taking a walk around. It's so amazing to do a morning walk around there. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe on this channel. It's so much fun happening here. As you can see, in my next upload, it will be the final Brampton video, Brampton edition on this channel. You can just guess what that final edition would be. Put it in the comment section. Take a wild guess what my final edition of Exploring the City of Brampton will be about. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, share, do all the good stuff. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below. Let me know what you enjoyed more about Brampton. And if you'll be coming to Brampton, these are places you need to visit. And to all my OGs, thank you so much for rocking along with me on this channel. You are the best. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now. Please stay safe always.